Wrong way.
Oh!
Okay.
Okay. Hi guys! I'm so glad to be back. It's been a few weeks since I last made a video and I'm finally home. I'm on break from school and I'm here with my best friend Emma and she agreed to let me put things on her face.
Yay!
So let's get started.
Excuse me.
That's disgusting.
I know, I'm sorry.
So today I'm going to be doing a New Year's Eve inspired look on Emma. I'm very excited about this because New Year's Eve is tomorrow. We're really excited about ringing in the new year.
Really excited.
So we're just going to plop a few things on her face just to really represent like what New Year's is to us. So we're just gonna start with some basics. I'm just gonna take like a cream highlight just to highlight the natural areas of her face.
That's really nice of you, thank you.
So, going back to the inspiration for this look, I really just want to represent the fun of New Year's Eve and just the sparkles and the ball dropping is really my inspiration. So I'm just going to take some inspiration from the Times Square ball drop in the big NYC, the Big Apple, if you've heard of it. And so we're just going to split Emma's faces into quarters and do different looks in each quarter that represent that event in New York. Achieve the 4 looks. I'm going to split Thank you, Mom. Okay, to achieve the 4 looks, I'm going to split Emma's face into quarters using an eyeliner pencil. So you want to make the lines pretty harsh just because you really want the differences in the looks to be noticeable. For the first quarter, we're just going to do part of the ball, and this is when the ball is like a nice silver, icy, bluish, light color. And I'll insert a picture right here of that for you to see. So I'm just gonna make the little diamond triangle shapes all around, and then we're gonna fill it in.
You know the music video to somebody I used to know when they're on the mosaic?
You totally look like that. And we're just gonna blend it right into the hairline so it seems like it's just coming from nowhere. Alright, so there are our geometric figures. So now I'm taking a silver shimmer crayon and we're just gonna fill in all of the triangles. Now, on your client's eyebrows, you can just fill the silver, like make sure the triangles go over the eyebrow and you'll just fill the silver right over top to look as if they have no eyebrow. If there's any spots where your lines got a little faded from the silver, you can just go right back over them, that's okay.
It's gonna be so good. We're gonna be able to go on Ellen.
Oh, so true. Yeah, when we go viral. This is the final silver ball look. Now we're going to move on to the colorful ball look. So we're going to stick with the same triangle geometric shapes and then we're just gonna fill it in with multiple colors. For these colors, I'm probably going to try to blend them into each other. For the colors, I'm going to try to gradually blend them into each other using kind of an ombre effect. So that's up to you. You can make them more harsh lines if you want. It's really artist choice. So just taking a flat brush like this and just any colors you want, really. I'm gonna start with a nice blue like this. It's called Celestial Blue. I like to call it New Year's Eve blue. And we're just gonna start putting it up at the top. Just do about like, I don't know, 7 triangles of blue, perhaps. And then you're just going to go fade into green. So I'm going to use a green color called Green Machine. pretty creative. And we're just gonna kind of blend it into the blue a little bit, and then just down into the next couple sections. And again, you wanna just go over the eyebrow so it basically disappears. I'm gonna use my finger for that, so it's really noticeable that there's nothing there.
Wow, it's gone.
So now we're gonna go into orange. So we're just gonna put that on there.
I look like a Cheeto.
So now to move on to red, I'm using a blush actually called Brick Red, which I thought was a good color. This is very bright, so you don't really have to be careful with it because the red is vibrant, so just slap it on there. The final color is purple, so just make sure you don't use a lot of red because we want that purple to be seen. So for the purple, this is called Royal Purple. It's also sparkly. Ooh, yeah. So that will be nice. We're just gonna use this for the last couple geo spots. Now you're gonna go over those lines again with your eyeliner just to make sure you know where your triangles are. I'll probably be doing this on Emma tomorrow so she can actually rock the look for New Year's Eve. It's like pretty subtle for the holiday, given that it is a very like festive holiday. It's honestly pretty subtle, like pretty natural look. So don't feel embarrassed about it. Just like be your true self.
No, embrace it.
All the time.
Exactly. That was such a good message to give to your younger fans.
Thank you. So that is the first half of this look is just the ball. So it's like it's a half circle. So we are going to just make half of a clock on Emma's face to signify the countdown to New Year's Day. So using a black eyeliner pencil, we are going to just make the clock on this side. So you're just gonna draw the numbers first and then draw the hands. This part's pretty easy. As long as you can write, you're golden. 12, 1, 2, 3.
Why did you put 3 so far away?
I don't know. If you mess up at all, just go over it a little bit.
Can't even see it.
Can't even see it. Now I'm going to make the clock hands a different color just for fun. I'm gonna make the clock hand a bright red. This is actually a lip pencil, but it will work very nicely on the skin. The time is really up to you. You can do whatever time you want. I'm just gonna do midnight because like that's, you know, the big deal of the whole holiday pretty much, so. Like so. And now you can really tell what time it is.
Just in case you forget.
For the final section, we are just going to plaster a big 2019 on Emma's final quarter. So I'm just taking my eyeliner pencil again, and I'm just gonna write that.
Why are you holding me like that?
2. I have a lot more room than I thought, so this is just gonna spread out. I underestimated how much room I had, so I just made the 1 a little big, but that's okay. Okay, there we go. And now I'm just going to fill that in with a gold shimmer crayon. So now we're just gonna make some confetti all around. So any colors that you want, just make little slashes. I'm just gonna serve as confetti.
My face is a celebration.
So for the last couple steps, we're just going to do Emma's lips and some eyeliner just to really top off the look. So starting with her lips, and we're just gonna overline her lips a little bit to just make them look nice and big.
Yeah. My lips have never looked plumper.
Finally, we're just going to do a nice wing. I'm honestly not even worried about going on the actual lash line. We're just gonna do the wing, just because that's all we really need. So just a nice line there. Make sure, guys, if you're trying this look at home, please have an adult 18 or older with you, just because like this is like a professional look, and you just want to make sure you're being careful.
Yeah.
Because you just never know what can happen. So that is it for this look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. We will zoom in a second and show you the individual quarters so you can really get a feel for this look. But thank you so much for watching. Have a great New Year's Eve and an even better New Year. And best of luck in 2019. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment your New Year's resolution. And we'll be sure to read them all. And yeah, that's it. Bye.